G'day, I'm Graham Ross from the Garden Clinic. Herbs are a fantastic way to get those essential oils into all of your cooking and your salads, winter dishes, summer dishes, right the way through the year. The herbs that were discovered way back in Greece and Rome 2,000 years ago, they tend to have the second name, the species name in the plant of officinalis, because they were official herbs that the Aristotles and all of those amazing philosophers decided that these were so important they'd be official herbs. And rosemary officinalis is one of them. Of course, it's native to the Mediterranean region. In fact, a digger at Anzac Cove brought back either a cutting or a plant, we're not too sure, when he was wounded, and put it in his knapsack, and when he was brought back to hospital in Adelaide, he grew it on. And today you can actually buy that variety. It's an absolute progeny identity of that original rosemary that was going on Anzac Cove. And today you can buy it as rosemary Anzac. I rather like this particular one. Now remember, they come from the Mediterranean. They like it hot and dry, so don't overwater them. This one hasn't been watered since I can't remember when. And look at it, it's so vigorous. Now, there are some rosemaries that are very ornamental that spill over a wall, and they're beautiful blue flowers and they're really attractive. But I use this one in quite a different sort of way. Nice long straight stems. Now you'll notice it's nice and vertical with these long stems. What do I do with it? I pull off the lower leaves like that, stick it into a sausage, so the stem's coming out one end, the leaves are inside the sausage, and just with this little tuft sticking out of the sausage, and that rosemary goes into a lamb sausage like you would not believe. It's a fantastic way to organically and naturally get those essential oils into your cooking and into your meats in particular. Lamb sausages, lamb chops, anything. These rosemary is just a fantastic plant to grow. Remember, nice long straight stems, strip down the leaves, stick it through your sausage, or put it straight onto your lamb dish when you're cooking. Now, it's not only winter, you can strip those leaves, and those beautiful leaves can go into a salad. It's full of essential, valuable oils that'll really keep you relaxed, keep you healthy, and really improve your overall look at life. Rosemary, it's such a versatile plant. I just love it. I think it's one of the official, essential herbs that we should all grow. If you're gardening on a balcony, put one of these into a nice big pot, let it grow up, and harvest those leaves. Rosemary, that's another essential herb that you should have in your garden.